In this video, I am going to show you how to install and use the Atomic Matrix Kodi build on your Firestick so you can enjoy a customized and feature-rich streaming experience. The Atomic Matrix build is a popular Kodi add-on that enhances your media library with pre-configured settings, themes, and add-ons for seamless streaming. Here's how you can get started. First, ensure your Firestick is ready by enabling Apps from Unknown Sources in the Developer options under Settings. Next, go to the home screen of your Firestick, navigate to the search bar and type Downloader. Install the Downloader app as it will help you download the Atomic Matrix build directly onto your device. Once installed, open the Downloader app and enter the URL for the official source hosting the Atomic Matrix build. Make sure to find a trusted and updated source. After downloading the build file, you'll be prompted to install it. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once installed, launch Kodi from your Firestick's home screen, and you'll notice that the Atomic Matrix build has already configured a sleek interface with pre-installed add-ons and tools. You can now explore its features such as live TV, movies, TV shows, and more, all organized neatly for easy access. If you encounter any buffering issues, consider using a VPN to enhance your streaming speed and bypass geo restrictions. Additionally, make sure to regularly update the build and its add-ons to ensure optimal performance and access to the latest content. That's it. You now know how to install and use the Atomic Matrix Kodi build on your Firestick. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.